Someone asked about fly tying vices in the previous video, about what do I think are the best fly tying vices to buy. Now, whenever I buy anything, I do two things. Number one, I make out a short list of criteria, things that the device or whatever it is I'm buying has to do these well. And I will generally rank them in order of importance, right? And I'll spend some time just sort of developing that list. Number two, once I finalize that list, I find three brands, three versions of whatever to that fit within those guidelines that I've set. And then through process of elimination, weighing back and forth, I decide on what I'm going to buy. I do that with anything. It doesn't matter if it's a camera, computer, fly tying vise, boat engine, whatever. It doesn't matter. So for instance, let's just take the fly tying vise, the Peak here. Now, I bought this back in 2008, 2007, 2008. And I never bought another fly tying vise. Didn't need to, right? But one, it had to be a rotary vise, and it is. Two, it had to be a vise of good reputation and report. People who've tied on these things and tied and for years, and you know. Another one was it needed to be something that was actively being developed. In other words, there's lots of there's accessories available to it. They're coming out with new accessories. They're coming out with new versions of the vise over time, and that's ultimately. I had the Peak fly tying vise. I had one of the old vices was on my list. I think it was the Regal, the one that a lot of fly tyers use. And then the other one was the I can't remember. I'm probably butchering these names. I think it was like the Atlas or Wolf Atlas, something like that. We're talking back in 2008 when I bought this. So I don't really remember all that I had. And of all those, the Peak is what won out, right?